Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm Demi.
And I'm Parker.
Today we are going to be making this. What is it?
It's a Catapult. It's from KidzLabs Catapult Making Kit.
Okay, well of course we never bring anything to cut anything. So let me try to rip it off. So this kit includes a cardboard piece.
Oh God! What? They got. What is this? They got
And instructions.
all things.
So it has instructions right here. Bye-bye.
Got targets. Blue and red.
Oops.
Yeet.
And then all of this right here. So of course we don't have scissors again.
Poppity whoppity dot. Do it with my teeth. That's so many pieces.
I'm literally going to fail miserably at this, especially because I just threw the instructions out.
Just like the cat robot. I know, but they're all plastic pieces, so they should get great.
Alright, so we are going to go ahead and set you guys up so that you can see everything from down below, and we will be right back. Alright, so we are back. We have a board right here. All of our pieces are in here. So I do have the instructions. I went and grabbed them because this looked pretty confusing. So pretty much first thing you do is you take this guy right here.
Okay.
Alright, so both of these bolts slide in like that.
Then we put these
like
on?
that.
Then we put these on?
No, so now what we do is we need that string.
about to have some fun with this catapult. Yeah!
Thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and like this video. Comment down below what you think of this, if you would ever want to purchase one. And subscribe, and we will see you next time.
And hit that bell.
And hit that bell so that you can get notified on our new videos. Thank you. Bye.